back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you charming small porch furniture, design ideas, and guide for creating a cozy and stylish house porch space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Your porch is the first impression your home makes on guests, so it's important to make sure it's well appointed and inviting. But if you have a small porch, finding the right furniture can be a challenge. You want pieces that are both stylish and functional, and that won't take up too much space. How to decorate your small front porch. When decorating your small front porch, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you want to choose pieces of furniture that are the right scale for your space. You don't want to overcrowd your porch or make it feel cramped. Second, you want to choose furniture that is made from durable materials that can withstand the elements. If you live in an area with harsh winters, you'll want to choose furniture that is frost-resistant. Third, you want to choose furniture that is comfortable and inviting. You want your porch to be a place where you can relax and enjoy spending time with family and friends. Here are a few tips for decorating your small front porch. First, use vertical space to your advantage. Hang plants, lanterns, and other decorative items from the ceiling or walls. Second, use mirrors to create the illusion of space. Third, add a rug to your porch to define the space and add a touch of style. Fourth, use bright colors and patterns to add visual interest. Fifth, add personal touches, such as family photos, souvenirs, and other items that you love. How to decorate a small porch on a budget. If you're on a budget, there are still plenty of ways to decorate your small porch in style. Here are a few tips. First, shop at thrift stores and flea markets for unique and affordable furniture and accessories. Second, use recycled materials to create your own planters, birdhouses, and other decorative items. Third, get creative with your DIY projects. There are endless possibilities for decorating your porch on a budget. What is the best type of porch furniture for you? The best type of porch furniture for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Here are a few things to consider when choosing porch furniture. First, size. Consider the size of your porch when choosing furniture. You don't want to overcrowd your space or make it feel cramped. Second, materials. Choose furniture that is made from durable materials that can withstand the elements. If you live in an area with harsh winters, you'll want to choose furniture that is frost-resistant. Third, comfort. Choose furniture that is comfortable and inviting. You want your porch to be a place where you can relax and enjoy spending time with family and friends. Fourth, style. Choose furniture that complements the overall style of your home. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 of the best small porch furniture ideas to help you create a cozy and stylish space. 1. Bistro set. A bistro set is a classic choice for small porches. It's simple, yet elegant, and it's the perfect size for two people to enjoy a cup of coffee or a glass of wine. 2. Rocking chairs. Rocking chairs are another great option for small porches. They're comfortable and relaxing, and they add a touch of charm to any space. 3. Swivel chairs. Swivel chairs are a great way to maximize space on a small porch. They allow you to easily turn and face different directions, so you can always enjoy the best view. 4. Ottomans. Ottomans are versatile pieces of furniture that can be used as coffee tables, extra seating, or even footrests. They're also great for storing blankets and pillows. 5. Benches. Benches are another great option for small porches. They can be used for seating, or as a place to put plants and other decorative items. 6. Folding furniture. Folding furniture is a great option for small porches because it can be easily stored away when not in use. This is ideal if you have limited space, or if you want to be able to clear your porch off quickly for entertaining. 7. Hanging chairs. Hanging chairs are a fun and unique way to add seating to your small porch. They're also a great way to relax and unwind. 8. Hammocks. Hammocks are another fun and relaxing way to add seating to your small porch. They're also a great place to take a nap on a hot summer day. 9. Floor pillows. Floor pillows are a great way to add extra seating to your small porch, or to create a cozy space to relax and lounge. 10. Poofs. Poofs are versatile pieces of furniture that can be used as seating, ottomans, or even coffee tables. They're also a great way to add a pop of color and pattern to your porch. No matter what your budget or style, there's a perfect small porch furniture set out there for you. With a little planning, you can create a cozy and inviting space that you'll love spending time in. Subscribe to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more tips on decorating your small porch and other areas of your home. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of charming small porch furniture design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you, and see you on the next videos.